Welcome to SPS at Home, a digital support resource designed to help students, parents, and teachers with continued learning. To access SPS at Home, simply visit www.sps.org/SPS at Home. Below the slideshow on the homepage, you will see 3 columns containing important information. Upcoming events, where you can see a snapshot of current SPS events. Announcements, where we share important information for parents and students. And resource links, where you can quickly access important resources. At the top of the page, you will find 4 main areas of support: instruction, health, family support, and technology support. Under instruction, you will see resource links. These links are by grade band, and each link will direct you to further assistance on SPS at Home instructions for your child. Under health, you will see resource links to information we have provided in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic. Under family support, you will see links to information on how to get support for your family, from grab-and-go meals to counseling services. And under technology support, you will see links to information such as accessing tech support at home and frequently asked questions from SPS parents. The digital resources link will take you to important login information regarding all of the usernames and passwords you should need. If you need support for your child's learning, please contact your child's school to receive assistance from the principal or your child's teacher. SPS at Home, learning together wherever we are.